Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2024 Can-Am Defender Max Limited in the Lone Star. We just installed some accessories on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about them. We've got that Can-Am front light bar, 15-inch there on the front. We've got the Fender Flair extensions, gonna keep that mud and gunk off the side of the unit. We've got the Tusk Beadlocks, as well as the Tusk tires. Can-Am side view mirrors. We do have the RYCO street legal kit on it. Check out our other videos for the functionality of the RYCO street legal kit. This model does have the full overhead audio roof. You gotta love that. Lone Star badging, Lone Star seating. And we've got the RotoKap on the back. Awesome new product we're carrying here at Big Pine Sports. And the Super ATV rear bumper. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text if you'd like to make one of these your own. We got you covered here at Big Pine. What do you think? Very nice, very nice. Have a great day, everybody. And be sure to ride your dreams. Oh yeah, it also comes in camo. Have a good day, everybody.